Everyone, welcome to my cutie hub. How are you all? I hope everyone are great, doing great. So, today we are discussing about English spoken. But that we just deal here, especially in English, what we learn is what is the useful of learning English spoken and how it's useful in our day-to-day lifestyle. And at the same time, one more thing is very important: how to make money with the English. How? So here we discuss in this video. So let's get started. You are excited? Me, yeah. So let's get started. In English spoken classes, we have learned much more, but with the help of English communication, if we develop, we improve, we become our good, fluent speaking skills better from good to moderate to standard to advanced English. If we speak, then our communication skills are literally great. And after communication skills, we make how to utilize in services. To example, so here we do with the freelancing, like in the platform of Upwork, Fiverr, etc. For that, you can work as freelancer, creator, or writer, writing blogs, and it can really help you to make you this platform offers you lot of creative writing for workers who want as their own writing skills. Improving creative writing skills you can improve by using the method of freelancing, and you work and gain clients and you get earning per pay. You get maybe dollars they will pay on that platforms, so like Upwork or Fiverr. So do try it. And next, number two, as like this, and here English online tutorials. You can teach online as a educator, e-educator, or any other. Because if you are an advisor, if you are a counselor, or if you are well known with the languages, who what you want to speak with and how you want to gain the knowledge, etc. Like sharing a knowledge in the right platform, discuss very great things to express a weave and gaining information and giving that information has a knowledge to the persons. That's role of a teacher, and that's really great. And has an influencer on YouTube, we call it as some content creator or etc. So here, in the form of English listening or writing or reading or whatnot, if we improve our communication skills better, then you get to work with this type of platforms here. So we are discussing about content English online teaching as service based on portals or websites or blogs or um, YouTube's, like online social media networking platform. So next, what creator, translating services, proofreading, editing and proofreading. These all works for business purpose. Are you excited to learn more such an interesting topics in this video, or you stay tuned for till the end? Language testing and online tutorial can help you to do your services better and you get your earning started. So this is the way you encourage so many people, like through writing your own articles on a blog, or if you are a vlogger, or you can create your own content with the help of using the ads, sponsorships, affiliating markets, etc., marketing, etc. So here, these are the things we learn in this video. So thank you for listening till the end, and thank you for watching to my channel. So if you want any interested topic about related to English, UPSC, gifts and much more, some fashion content too, then stay tuned till the end. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Till then, keep shining, keep grace on your lovely. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind. So, hi viewers, here I'll tell you there are many ways to create money through your skills and utilizing your interests. Depending on your skills, learning the way of skills and more interesting topics can make you to develop in a day-to-day lifestyle. So, are you excited? So, let's get started. Thank you.